Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry Triple R. Now in today's session, I am going to discuss about how to read Organic Chemistry by Claydon. Organic Chemistry by Claydon contains 43 topics. Okay, this book contains the 43 topic. So start your reading from chapter number 5 to chapter number 41, that is asymmetric synthesis. Okay, this is from chapter number 5 to chapter number 41, that is asymmetric synthesis. These are the very important topic for CSR NET, GATE, IIT JAM, BARC, TIFR exam aspirants, and also important for the BSc and MSc student. So first you have to know about how to read each topic. Okay, suppose I want to read this topic, that is chapter number 11, nucleophilic substitution at carbonyl with loss of carbonyl oxygen. Okay, while reading each topic from Claydon, start your reading from the connection, that is this blue box. Okay, it is in which building on, arrive at, and looking forward to. Okay, in building on, it gives idea about this topic is based on which topic, that is for example this topic, that is chapter number 11, is based on the nucleophilic attack on carbonyl group, that is chapter number 6, acidity and pKa, chapter number 8, nucleophilic substitution at carbonyl group, chapter number 10, and in arrive at we will discuss about the important point from this topic, that is first point is replacement of carbonyl oxygen, then acetal formation, then amine formation, stable and unstable imine, then Strecker and Wittig reaction. Okay, and based on this topic, okay, which topic is based on this topic? So in looking forward, that is rate and pH, chapter number 12, protecting group, chapter number 23, acylation of enolates, chapter number 26, and synthesis of alkene, chapter number 27. This 4 topic is based on this topic. So while reading the each chapter or each topic, first read connections. Okay, then second most important point is, while reading the any concepts in Claydon, first think about the reactant, reaction condition, product, and probable reaction mechanism. Okay, after thinking about this, then read theoretical portion. Okay, suppose I want to read this topic. Okay, then first, how nucleophile attack on this carbonyl center, then what is the probable mechanism, what is the reaction condition, and then read, that is the nucleophile add to the carbonyl group to give the compound in this way. Okay, so after completion of each topic, design most challenging question based on this topic. Okay, for each topic, this is applicable for each topic. Okay, design your notebook for the most challenging question and also solve practice question from Claydon solution manual. Okay, Organic Chemistry by Claydon, this book and its solution manual is equally importance. It has a equally importance, that is 50% importance for the Claydon book and 50% importance for the Claydon solution. For CSR NET exam, more than 40 marks. Okay, for the more than 40 marks question asked from this topic, not a topic from this book. Okay, so it is very important book for the CSR NET, GATE, IIT JAM exam aspirants. So the next point is, each and every mechanism should be write at least once. Okay, while reading the book, write mechanism at least once. Okay, then while reading the topic, if there is a name reaction, okay, while reading suppose any topic you read, okay, in this book, then while reading the topic, if there is name reaction, reagent or rearrangement, then Also practice additional example from other reference book, okay, based on this name reaction, reagents and rearrangement, so which enhance your knowledge about this topic. Okay, this is very important point for the all CSR NET, GATE, IIT JAM, bar, TIA per exam aspirant. Also one more thing, keep in your mind that when stereochemistry is involved in the reaction, then along with the reaction, reactant, reaction condition, product, mechanism, the probable mechanism with stereochemistry. Okay, also think about the probable mechanism with stereochemistry. Okay, so this is the very important point while reading the Claydon. And one more point is, don't miss such box, that is for example in this box that is a green color box, that is acetal had a walk on part in chapter 2 and 6. This box also, such box also important while reading the Claydon. So thank you for watching video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Chemistry Triple R for more videos. Thank you.